Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching jobs in Hong Kong. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's begin the video. In URL you can put www.hkis.edu.hk. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page. In this main page right corner one of the option careers overview. If you click this link you can get career page. What are the vacancies available, how to apply, everything you can get it from here. Hong Kong is great place to work and live. Here they are giving openings, faculty and admin. If you click this link you can get what are the openings available 2021 and 21-22. 2021 middle school grade 7-8 and science teacher, June 2021. Openings for 21-22 high school associate principal, lower primary reception 1 and reception 2 teacher, middle school art teacher, mathematics teacher, primary grade 5 teacher, upper primary music teacher. These are the vacancies for Hong Kong International School. If you are interested this position, please apply online via online application system. Here they are provide online application system. If you click this link you can get one of online job application form. Here opening new application. The job openings listed below are links to more details about the position. If you would like to apply for a listed job, simply select the position of interest and click on proceed to application button. For example, if I am applying a mathematics teacher mean, I can click this link and proceed to application. Online application process involves several steps. The first one is timeout warning. There is no activity in 60 minutes. It will be automatically log out. Second one is saving your application. You can save your application as you go along. Once you have saved the first page, you will receive your application number and email password. The third one is submitting the application. Once you have completed the online application, you must click the completed application button. So once you are submitted your application, you can get acknowledgement letter. The fifth one is teaching couple. If you are a teaching couple, the application will ask your spouse application number also. So before applying, you can check whether you are applying spouse or not. You can confirm and you can apply. This is the important that you are enter this information for your both teaching couples application together. The sixth one is personal data and privacy awareness. If you are not here from within 1 month of this email, your application will be automatically deleted. So these are the things they are mentioned here itself. Then proceed to application. Here there are 6 categories available. First one personal academic, personal details, academic details, employment, references, cover letter and attached. These are the things. The first one if you have filled, you can save and give it to next. The second one also will come academic details, like that 6 category. Once you have filled the 6 category, you can submit your completed application form. So these are the things you have to do in this job application form. Here they are mentioned what are the compensation they are providing here. Here they are mentioned compensation package is globally competitive, reward excellence, high expectation of its teacher and deliver exceptional career opportunities. New teacher hires compensation based on level of education and years of relevant teaching experience up to minimum of 7 years. The annual salary based on approximately 192 working days per school year, paid over 12-month period. The contract of 2 years. The faculty members who are eligible for housing benefit reside on HKIS owned apartment. The apartment based on family size and subject to availability. So these are the things here mentioned. Employees who receive relocation and housing benefit, the spouse employer will not be eligible to receive those benefits of HK. If teaching couple, you both are working together mean, so only one person only you can eligible for the apartment. So the final one is relocation allowance also they are provided. So in this website you can get everything from here. If you have any doubt, you can check menu. You can get it from everything menu itself. The second one is Harrow International School, Hong Kong. You can put www.harrowschool.hk. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, right corner menu available. If you click this menu, you can get one of the option work at Harrow. Here vacancies, teaching position. Teaching position, Head of Computer Science, Teacher of Chinese. These two positions are available. The deadline is 29th September 2020. Interested candidate, please complete the application form on the online application portal. So here they are given online application portal. So education support position also available. If you have any queries related to the role or your application, please email recruitment@harrowschool.hk. This is online application portal. If you click this online application portal, here they are given what are the vacancies available. So Harrow School, they having many branches. Harrow Beijing also they are offering upper school physics teacher position and lower school class teacher. So deadline, application deadline also mentioned here itself. Then Harrow Hong Kong, Harrow Shenzhen, Harrow Innovation Leadership Academy, assistant head teacher, lower school class teacher with art specialization, year 2 class teacher, Harrow Heiko, so all the vacancies you can get it from here. Here left corner, how to apply. If you click this link, how to apply, you can get this. What are the instruction? Before completing your application, you have to be ready with your CV and your photograph. How to complete the application also they are mentioned. Then references, upload a photo of your application. So these are the things you have to do. Login. So if you have already an account, you can enter your email ID and password. Otherwise, if you have new candidate, you can register your account using register your first name, last name, email ID and password, confirm password. Once you are given this, you can get in your mail confirmation. So after finish these things, you can log in your account, you can submit your application. So these are the things you have to do in this job vacancies. If you have any doubt, you can comment, I will reply to you. Harrow School, they are offering teaching position and what are the benefits here are in left corner they are offering what are the benefits. If you click this link, you can get what are they offering. So application deadline for August 2021 entry is October 1, 2020 year 1 and November 2020 for all other year groups. So before the deadline, please apply. So benefits here they are mentioned. Staff induction program, fee remission for children attend the school, competitive salary and performance related bonus, housing allowance, excellent working environment with ICT facilities, co-curricular activities, staff social program and well-being opportunities, medical insurance and complimentary school, breakfast, lunch and supper. These are the things they are offering. If you are selected, these are the things you can get it from in this school. If you have any doubt about the school, you can check it from left corner menu. You can get everything about the school, communications, what are the syllabus they are following, everything you can get it from here. So living in Hong Kong also they are giving. whatever you want, you can check it from that menu, you can get everything. The third one is International Christian School, Hong Kong. You can put www.ics.edu.hk. You can get this main page. Here right corner, employment, one of the option available. If you click this employment, you can get what are the current openings. Faculty position 21-22, assessment and testing coordinator, middle school humanities teacher, maternity leave substitute teacher, Spanish teacher. Non-faculty position also available, administrative coordinator, board secretary, library assistant, teacher assistant. And here round openings, part-time sport coach, that means football, basketball, badminton, and several positions, substitute teacher and teacher. These are the things 21-22 job vacancies. If you are interested these vacancies, you can apply as per the instructions. For example, if you are applying humanities teacher, if you click this link, here they are giving what are the responsibilities, what are the job description, everything. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. Please note that only shortlisted application will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So what are the requirement also they are mentioned here, that means bachelor degree in education, 2 years of relevant teaching experience, strong passion and commitment to Christian education and the teaching subject, positive attitude, new cultural environment preferred. These are the things are there offer. How to apply also they are given. What are the remuneration they are offering? We offer 5-day work week and attractive remuneration package for suitable candidate. So join us through submitting online application with your CV and salary expectation below. So if you click this faculty application link, this is the form, faculty application form. So which position you are applying, how did you hear from this position, have you interviewed with ICS before, the personal information. Here red color stars are mandatory. So before submitting, please check your application, spiritual background, educational background, work experience, other information, then spouse. If you are applying teaching couple, you can give your spouse details, then references. Once you all these things filled, then you can give your supporting document, CV and photograph. Then finally you can submit your application. Once you have submitted your application, you can get acknowledgement in your email. If you are interested exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, everything. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.